Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Hydraulic and Pneumatic Products. As I already introduced you about HPP Group, we are a brand we trust and quality. We always focus on reliability, technology and good quality products. We manufacture air-cooled oil cooler, water-cooled oil cooler, warm gear screw jack, pneumatic cylinders, hydraulic cylinder, hydraulic rotary union, hydraulic jack, hydraulic power pack and many more products. In this video, we will have a detailed discussion about HPP pneumatic cylinder. Pneumatic cylinders are widely used in industrial automation, robotics, heavy machinery, material handling, packaging and processing and many more. Double-acting cylinders have air supplied on both sides for motion in both directions. Single-acting cylinders travel in one direction and return using a spring or external force. If I talk about the features of HPP pneumatic cylinders, these are having strength and durability, cost-effective, range of applications, corrosion resistance. At HPP Group, we provide premium customer service and offer 1-year warranty on pneumatic cylinder. Our dedicated team is available 24/7 to assist you with any queries and maintenance needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and product demos from HPP Group. For any queries, our team is here to always help you with our expert advice and support.